Hi guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the pollen or cabin filter, whatever you want to call it, on Alfa Romeo 159 Brera and Spider. Now the process is very simple and you don't want to pay anyone to do this for you. First I'm going to open up the glove box. Now let's take a closer look here. You can see that there is only one T25 Torx screw which holds this plastic cover in place. So that's the first thing that I'm going to undo. Alright. Now I'm gonna remove this plastic cover on the corner, and I'm gonna remove this big plastic cover which is held in place by two of these plastic clips. Now that I got that out of the way, we can get to the cabin filter, but first I gotta undo this one Phillips screw that you can see right here. So I'm gonna undo this Phillips screw real fast. Make sure that you catch it so it doesn't fall down below. Now you can just pull up this plastic cover and there's the cabin filter right there. You can already see that it's full of leaves and dirt. Now I'm gonna pull it out. And as I said, you can see that the cabin filter is full of leaves, dirt and stuff like that. All the things that would end up in the cabin through the ventilation system if it wasn't for this filter. As you can see, all of the dirt is on top, yet this little arrow showing the airflow is pointing up. This tells me that the filter was installed incorrectly. Here's the new filter. It's so nice and clean. It's very cheap, maybe like 5-10 euros. As I said, pay attention to the arrow, it's supposed to point down. Now I'm gonna gently slide the filter in. Make sure that you don't force it, you might damage it. If that happens, you will get unfiltered air coming into the cabin. This might require a bit of patience since they are a bit tricky to install. Alright, there we go. You can see the plastic cover closes easily. If you have to force it, it means that the filter is not seated properly. Now I'm gonna put back in the Phillips screw. Again, make sure that you don't drop it below. And of course you don't want to over tighten any of these screws because you might damage the plastics. I'm gonna take my plastic cover. Now pay attention to these two tabs on the back. They gotta slide into these two holes. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna install back the corner piece as well, and the last thing that I have to do is put back the T25 Torx screw and I'm done. So there you go. As I said in the beginning of the video, the process is very simple and there is really no need to pay someone to do this for you. That would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfa.